When cops get bored, they start doing things that makes them totally lose their credibility. Profiling people, pulling them over, giving them tickets, not using discretion for people when you know they actually need help and they didn't mean to make a mistake. All that is disgusting behavior. Watch this video, go subscribe. Links will be in the description.
Oh yeah, you see that? That's what you call profiling.
Yeah.
Not a damn
Nothing.
thing. He saw the way I look.
You look wonderful.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I live up here. So
Nice.
Thank
It's my first
you.
time here.
Yeah.
Lancaster.
it's hotter than up here.
That's why we're here.
See? Even the locals notice. You gotta be kidding me.
Record his ass too.
What's going on, guys?
Not much. How are you?
Good, thanks. Yeah, I just stopped because you cut that car off from you.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you
Signaled and
Have your ID on you?
made a lane change.
Is your ID too, sir?
Oh no, sir.
What's that?
No, sir. It seems to me that you've seen me go by the stoplight
Ma'am, I need your ID too.
and you stopped me based just because you've seen what I look like. Because I didn't break any law.
Yeah.
The one's following us
Is
too.
anybody on probation or parole?
Nope.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
No, he's not.
Are you on
No.
probation or parole? Okay, and you guys are refusing to give me your IDs, right?
I thought that they didn't have to give you their ID if you just stopped me for a
I'm
traffic
requesting,
violation.
So, are you going to give it to me or not?
Can you call your lieutenant or sergeant here?
I'm the sergeant.
Okay, can you call your superior here?
No, he's not working. I'm the top rank right now.
So what did you stop me
So
for?
are
Yeah,
you
what's
going to give me
the
your IDs
reason?
or are we going to go through all
You
this?
have my ID and I was driving.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her and to you.
Didn't I tell you no already? You got rocks in your ear?
Okay.
Give me your ID since we have nothing to hide so we can go on our way.
Smart.
No, you're not going to violate my rights.
Okay. It wouldn't be
But-
a violation.
And what
right?
vehicle
So
did
Sure, it
we?
would be.
I have a question though, because you're at a stoplight heading this way.
Anything to you.
Hold on.
You guys-
You're at a stoplight heading this way. I passed you. As soon as you seen me, you actually made an illegal change because you were in the turning lane, waited for the light to turn as it changed, and then you cut everybody off to get behind me.
Correct.
Alright. I'm not gonna leave just because you guys are recording.
No, 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 we're not. I'm not asking you
We're not
that.
asking you to.
I'm just asking you, why did you really stop me? I didn't cut a car off.
You did. You didn't. You signaled like as you turned.
I signaled before I turned to get over because I'm gonna
200 feet.
I'm gonna turn right there. I'm not from here, so I didn't know that the
Pass me
turn's
your
right there.
ID, please. Thank you. And yours, sir?
You get nothing from me, sir. I told
hop
you you're
on
not
the car.
violating my rights.
Hop out of the car and stand.
What
right
am I
here
going to get out of the car for?
Rick, Rick,
Rick.
I'm not getting
Give me your- give me your ID.
I'm obligated to nothing for you.
You are.
I am
promise
not.
you.
Rick,
I am not.
Rick,
I'm not walking back to my car without you.
give him your ID so we can get on our way.
I'm not giving you nothing.
Rick, listen to me.
Rick, give it to me.
Give him the fucking
Yo.
ID
I'll
so
violate
we
my
can
rights.
go
I
on
don't
our
see
way.
the-
Rick,
Hold on.
Out of the car.
give this
Hold on.
motherfucker the ID.
I'm not driving.
Rick, give
I
it
got
to him.
nothing to do with this stuff.
Hey, listen, sir.
He's obligated, not me.
And
Sir,
please
what?
don't
Do not
touch him.
touch me, yes.
Don't touch
I
him.
promise you. If
Do
I
not touch
don't
me.
need to get out, you need to get out.
No,
promise
you
you, no, I do
grabbing
not.
my door and opening it.
Yeah, you do not.
You
need
do
to
not need
open
to
that
do
door.
that.
You don't need to touch that door.
Hey, sir. You'll be placed under arrest right now just for
For what though?
For what?
Okay, step on out, put your hands behind
For
your back.
what? What is he?
Put your hands
Do?
behind
Yeah, what
your
am
back,
I
and
under
then
arrest
handcuff you
for?
behind.
Rick,
Hold on.
listen to me, Rick. Give me your ID so we can
Give
leave.
it to him.
Give him your ID
I want his
so we
name.
can
You're
leave.
not gonna
Listen to
violate
me.
my rights.
Okay,
No.
but
Rick,
so what?
Call your boss.
We
Call
already
the
know
chief,
how to
call the
deal with
captain.
this.
Nope.
We already know how to
Call the
deal with
captain.
this.
You
Rick,
need to make this
listen
Yeah,
to
we
me.
do. Call the
Listen
captain.
to me,
You're
Rick.
not the highest ranking motherfucker here
Rick,
right now
brother,
in San Bernardino Valley.
listen to me.
Or
Rick.
county.
Now.
So call your captain, call your
Rick.
boss, call your superior. I don't give a fuck. You're going to call
Rick.
someone.
Let's go to the
above
lake.
you.
Give him your ID. Let's go to the lake.
No, he's calling someone above him. He is not the top ranked person here in
promise you,
San
I'm the
Bernardino
top-ranked
County.
person.
Just give him your fucking ID. You ain't got nothing to
As a
hide.
top-ranked
Give him your fucking
individual,
ID.
You should know.
Let him violate
I
your
am
rights.
not required to give you
Listen to
anything.
your friend.
No, you're not going to violate my rights. I'm not going to do anything just because you think it's right. No. I don't owe
And
you
next
my
time?
ID. Tell me the law that says I got to give you my ID.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
No, that's not the law.
It is a law.
No,
You
I'm
can look
not
it up on your
driving
phone
this
right now. Look it
vehicle.
up on your phone.
No, I'm not going to look up the phone bit. I am not driving the vehicle. I got nothing.
So,
to do with
as
this.
him as a passenger, as I'm being stopped for a traffic stop, he has to ID.
Yeah, no, I do not.
Is that true?
Can you
Sir,
tell me the law?
we're asking you a question, sir.
You asking me a question?
Yes.
It's not my traffic stop.
But is that the law that he has to ID himself?
You can ask him the questions. It's not my traffic.
Okay, then get off my fucking car. Don't touch my car. Don't touch my car.
Don't touch my car.
What's your problem?
It's not your stop, so don't touch my car.
All right, that's fine.
What's
Because
your
the
name
way
and badge
that
number?
your partner
Rick.
opened my car door.
Badge number, name right here.
R. Casillas, Rick.
Casillas.
Let him run your ID. You got nothing to
Let
hide.
him.
It's right there. You
Let's go to the
We
lake.
understand that. We got it.
You know he was headed the opposite way at the stoplight. As soon as he seen what I looked like, he blocked traffic just to stop me, and then lied and said that I cut a car off.
And then we stopped. at
Even the
red light.
locals pulled up
The
and said,
locals
"He's
"Hey, we're
harassing
on
you."
What did you guys do? Understood. So when he steps back, step to the side.
What is your name?
Sergeant Abernathy.
Sergeant Abernathy.
Badge number?
2? So you stopped me because you said I cut off a car?
And for tailgating.
And for tailgating.
Your ticket.
Has nothing to do with when I passed you and you said that what I look like?
And you have something hanging in your rearview mirror.
I have what?
You have something hanging in your rearview mirror.
Of course you would. Don't touch my car. I really hope you understand that we're not dropping this. So since it's not your violation, I don't understand why you're standing there staring at
I can
us.
stand here.
You absolutely can. So if I step out of the car and I stand right next to you, that's okay too?
So
Perfect.
you as being a sheriff
Get
though?
out.
No. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Get in the car.
Shay,
Get in the car.
you being a sheriff and me telling you that exactly what happened, you should ask questions of what happened, right?
Nope.
Why not? So if another
That's
cop's
what
breaking the law, you're gonna support it?
That's what tyrants do.
What are you talking about, dude?
I'm telling you why he stopped me and how he stopped
Why
me.
did he stop you?
He was going this way.
Why did he stop
I'm
you?
telling you.
No, why did he stop you?
He stopped me because of what I look like. He looked over, he seen me, and he illegally stopped traffic just to stop me.
I
Absolutely.
think you're upset. I think you're
No, hell no.
We're upset
Hell
for
no.
what? What are we upset
Okay.
over? Because this isn't the first time this has happened.
Even
With
the
people
local
in uniform
people
like
pulled
you.
up and said, "We seen what he did back there. He's only stopping you because what you look like."
You can say and do whatever you want, man. That's all good. You're upset.
Well, I'm not upset. We'll see each other again.
You're upset.
Absolutely not.
You guys are upset. That's cool.
Absolutely
You're
not.
not.
I just call it how it is.
I hope you can sleep tonight.
I will.
Yeah,
Sure will.
I hope so. And if you have children, I hope that they're never treated the way that you treat us. I hope that they're never treated like this.
And I hope that your
Remember that
children
shit.
Don't treat law enforcement like you guys.
No. We treat you as people until you step over the line.
So are we. What
And you guys want to. That gentleman opened my door on his own and stepped up to him and pulled his fucking handcuffs out. That's what the fuck he did.
For a traffic stop.
For a traffic stop.
When isn't he only supposed to ID
And
me?
he's giving us a ticket.
Unless they're suspected of a crime, he's only supposed to ID me, right?
You know the law.
No, I'm asking you. Isn't that the
I'm
law?
asking you, do you know the law?
Isn't that the law?
That's what it sounds like. Sounds like you know the law.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you really represent that uniform real well.
Cool. Proud of it too.
Beautiful. You should be.
That you guys are proud of what you guys are doing.
What is it we're
Standing
doing?
up for my
What are we
rights
doing?
and not letting you
We're
violate
doing
them.
exactly what you're
Goddamn
doing.
right.
You're upset. That's
Goddamn
fine.
right.
That's totally cool, man.
Goddamn right.
And I said nothing.
Proud of fucking standing up for my rights. Not letting you violate them. Yes, sir. 100%.
Right, so
We actually came here to visit the lake to have a little vacation and to be stopped and harassed just on the fact of the way that I look.
Oh, you want
I
me to
believe is
explain the law to you?
illegal.
Tell me the law.
You want me to explain it to you?
Sure. Tell me the law.
I have the right
By
to
word.
move about freely and travel in this country.
Oh,
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Exactly.
If you don't want to
Tell
hear
me
it,
the
why
law
you
that says I
standing here?
have to show you my ID.
You know the law, clearly,
No,
right?
no, you're the cop. You're the one here trying to enforce a
You're the
fake
one trying
ass
to tell
law.
us how to do our job.
Yeah, you're trying to fucking enforce fake laws. This,
Exactly,
you swore to uphold the Constitution, not to fucking go off your wants and desires.
I think your camera's a little low. I want to get it up in your face.
And you're still going. See? We stay quiet. and you keep going.
I have a camera right in my face,
So
so.
we understand. You got 3 of them because we don't trust. We don't trust you.
What's that? Do you have your insurance?
You have insurance? She's gonna get it out of the glove box.
Okay, that's fine.
Check on the side. It's in a plastic. No, it's
Yeah?
in like a plastic.
And there's nothing plastic over here.
No, I don't have it on me.
It's not in here at all.
Can I go over there and check that door?
Why can't he check it?
Why can't I? 'Cause
He's right there. Why can't he check it?
Okay. Not this.
no.
Nothing plastic in here. Nope, we don't have it on us.
Don't have it.
You don't have it in email? Text message? She may have it in an email. She's gonna check right now.
Okay.
Sorry, this is the email.
Which court for traffic? Barstow? Barstow.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Hi, may I speak with Nina Garcia, please?
One moment, please.
Thank you. Mom.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. Listen to me. Can you help me really quick? The cops have
Yeah.
us pulled over, and I have to show.
Yeah.
I have to show proof of insurance. I can't find my card. Can you send
Okay.
me the Progressive information so I can log in?
Yeah, let me see if I can find it. Hold on.
All right.
Stay in line.
Okay, thank you.
Hey there.
Yep.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you very much.
And this is your ID. This is your citation today. You're getting cited for tailgating, not having insurance, and making an unsafe lane change. Here's your signature right here in the red box. It's not admitting guilt. It's just a promise to appear in court.
You have dash cam video?
No.
No, not on your car? I do in mine.
Okay.
Where am I signing?
In the red box.
So you don't need my insurance.
Huh?
You don't need proof of my insurance. This guy just said I could.
You said you didn't have it.
No, I didn't.
You said you couldn't find it.
We gave you the opportunity to provide it and you didn't.
We're not gonna sit here and wait all day.
There's a timeline in how long she has to find it?
Yeah, if you're delaying us,
Okay.
you're going to be arrested.
Get
All right.
out of here.
That's fine. Don't even worry about it.
Here's your copy.
That's it. We're done.
Have a wonderful
I'm free
day.
to go.
Yep.
I'll see you again.
Yeah,
Try not to harass anybody today.
Yeah,
Uphold the law. Don't harass people.
Mom.
Yeah.
They basically fucking pulled us over because of the way fucking Danny looks, and they were harassing the shit out of us.
Give him a ticket because
They
And the
gave-
what?
They gave Danny a ticket saying for tailgating, for cutting in front of somebody else.
I need to get out of the parking lot.
I'll show you all the videos.
Okay. Yeah, don't even worry about it. Don't let that ruin your day. Take the ticket, thank them, and we'll go to court and buy it. No big deal. No worries. I sent you the log on.
I agree with the woman on the phone, guys. I don't believe that these folks should allow this officer to ruin their day. And the police wonder why people don't like them. Even the people from that town talked to these folks and said that they knew that they were getting profiled. This is disgusting behavior by law enforcement. They use discretion to let go whoever kisses their butt. But if you don't listen, they won't use that discretion. They'll ticket you. They'll make you sit on the curb. They'll search your vehicle. They'll bring a dog. They'll do everything in their power to mess with you. Folks, this isn't America anymore. If police can do what they want with the people and the people have no way of stopping them, then it's become a tyrannical country. We are the ones that are acting like communists in America. We are giving police unbridled power to do what they want. We absolutely do not hold them accountable. And if there is a miracle out there that happens and police are held accountable, guess who pays for it, folks? That's right, you do. The taxpayer, the constituents. You pay for their mistakes. That's why they behave the way they behave. There's no and ifs or buts about it. We the people see what's going on. It's gross behavior. I'm sick of it. So are you. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to go subscribe to Daniel Alvarez. I'll see you on his channel as well. Thank you.